Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we got one of Jamaica's premier used car dealers here. That's Jetcon Corporation, trading in their shares. A director selling a total of 150,000 shares here, December 14th, 2021. That's when it happened. Now, Wigton Windfarm Limited, declaration of a dividend here. It's a nice one. The board of directors of Wigton, they met on December 13th, 2021, and they approved a payment of a special dividend. Interesting moment here for Wigton. It amounts to 0.0182 or 1.82 cents, just approximately around there. The payment date is heading into next year, 2022, January 17th, 2022. Now, Tropical Battery Company, talk about a profit that counts, a booming profit here. Tropical jumps by 203% for the profit year over year. These are the audited numbers for Tropical Battery for the year end, September 30th, 2021. By the numbers, 88 million in profit for 2021 versus 29 million in 2020. Talk about a big jump in profit again. Earnings per share, just under 7 cents per share versus 3.4 cents per share in 2020. Gross operating revenue, just shy of the $2 billion mark. That's a magic number for Tropical, a milestone number coming up for next year for sure. 2021 versus 1.86 billion for 2020. Now, Scotia Group, we just spoke about them earlier this week, talking about their net profits at 8.4 billion or so, declaring a dividend here. It's a nice dividend for Scotia. They do this typically every 3 months or quarterly dividend payment. This is for Q4 2021. 35 cents per share, payable next year also, January 21st, 2022. Now, Lumber Depot here, slowing down in its second quarter abruptly, a bit of a surprise for the market and for analysts or Mr. Market, but they still had a strong half year or 6 months on the back of the first quarter. Let's talk about the second quarter, flatlining in terms of revenue and earnings, registering 5 cents per share versus pretty much the same number year over year, so 5 cents versus 5 cents. Now, revenue was more or less flat as well for the second quarter. This is October 31st period. 339.8 million versus 338 million, so not too much growth there. You know, the market was expecting blistering growth again, given what's happening in the construction sector. You know, concrete, cement, everything there, lumber included, steel, just expecting that it would just continue to boom and never stop. So it's on the back of that strong first quarter, but the half-year numbers, EPS hitting 15 cents per share versus 9 cents per share. So Lumber Depot, all in all, for the 6 months, the half year, still up 67% on the back of the profits for the half year, 107.2 million for the 6 months overall. Incredible numbers by Lumber Depot once you look at it in the 6-month sample size. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.